the Year award. Thanks, Joy. The Appellate Advocacy Award awards those attorneys who in the past year have had a significant result on appeal, whether the Montana Supreme Court or the Ninth Circuit or the Supreme Court. And this year there's been a bunch of excellent decisions from our members. Eric Thusen had a couple great decisions come out, Anderson v. VBF, the Lincoln County case. The Edwards firm had a great case in the global case. But this year's Appellate Advocacy Award goes to two attorneys who have worked on a case and worked on these issues for a long time. Mark Kovacich from the Lewis firm in Great Falls and Justin Stalpes from the Beck firm in Bozeman regarding the opportunity case, Christian v. Arco. As I'm sure many of us are well aware, many years ago the Anaconda firm in Butte and Anaconda built a smelter that over the course of many years polluted the properties of lots of people, and not just the Anaconda company, but many mines, many other historical industrial activities in Montana have left the results of industrial development when there were not a lot of environmental protections. And throughout our state, we have many sites that have remained contaminated. And what's important about this decision in Christian via Arco, it allows people whose properties have been historically contaminated to have those properties cleaned up. And this decision is important because of all those sites throughout our state, the Supreme Court now, through this case, has defined what it means that what our property owners and what our citizens have the remedy available to them to have pollution from our state cleaned up. And so this year's Appellate Advocacy Award winners are Justin Stalpes and Mark Kovacich. Congratulations, guys.
Thank you, Tim. The timing of this award is perfect to get us excited about this case, because after 8 years and the worst scorched earth defense tactics I've ever seen, we're finally set for a trial this fall. We filed this case back in 2008 on behalf of about 100 people in Opportunity, Montana, who live every day with high levels of arsenic on their properties. And Arco, which is a successor to the Anaconda company who caused the pollution, has tried in 3 separate federal proceedings to stop our claims. We've been to the Ninth Circuit once already and are certain to go there again. And of course, we've been to the Montana Supreme Court in the case that Tim was referring to. And unfortunately, Arco has not been alone in trying to stop our clients from cleaning up their properties. The United States EPA, of course the agency that's charged with protecting our environment, has not only failed to require Arco to do meaningful cleanup in Opportunity, they've actively opposed our efforts to seek more cleanup for our clients through the state courts. We filed the case in state court all those years ago. The good news is that all of these courts that we've been to, after dozens of motions and paper that would fill an entire room, the courts have so far all agreed that a state court jury should decide whether or not our clients are entitled to clean up an Opportunity. And that's going to happen in just a couple of months here. We're set to try the case for the entire month of November, and we're excited to do that. I'm thrilled to share this award with Justin. I have been very fortunate over the last 17 years to work with a lot of great lawyers, and at an early stage in his career, he's one of the best I've seen. So I'm happy that I'll always have this as a reminder of this good work that we did together, and looking forward to a trial along with Justin and also my partner Dave Slovak and Justin's partner Monty Beck in a couple of months here. Thank you.
Thank you, Mark, and I concur the EPA does suck. This is really, really cool for me to receive, I have to say, so thank you. I feel a little guilty because so many people are entitled to the same plaque, not only in other cases, but also this case. I mean, Monty deserves a plaque, and Dave deserves a plaque, and Ross deserves a plaque. But it's really cool, and I really, really do appreciate it. And it's been an honor to work on this case, and with you, Dave, and with you, Mark. I guess I want to just say I've been really, really lucky, and I'm going to sit down and let Cliff Edwards and Jamie Tao speak, and you can hear from people who have gotten there through something other than dumb luck. But anyway, thank you very much.